What happens when both your twins get upset at the same time? Because yes, that will happen. Hi, my name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com, where I help fathers of twins like yourself survive and thrive along your twin parenting journey. So do twins get upset at the same time? Sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't. Remember, your twins are going to have very distinct personalities, interests, dislikes, and that's going to cause them to trigger some emotions at different times and not always at the same time. But remember, your twins are sharing a very similar circumstance. They're both in your home together. They go through a similar routine together, mealtime, nap time, activity time. As such, when one of them gets upset, the other twin is going to be observing and may or may not play off of that trigger to also be upset. If one of your twins declares that this dinner is yucky and they start to throw the food, the twin very well will think that's a great idea and want to do the same thing. It is often monkey see, monkey do with twins. How do you prevent your twins from getting upset at the same time? First of all is observe their behavior. If they've gotten upset in the past in certain circumstances, try your best to avoid those circumstances or to work around them to keep the twins happy. You know, experience is the best teacher, and you're going to see how your twins react in different circumstances, and that will help you adjust your parenting to not get yourself in the same spot, the same thing again, where your twins are upset again. For example, one of the most common things when both twins are going to be upset is when they both want the same thing. For example, if twin A is holding a particular toy, even if you have two of those same toy, twin B is probably going to want to get that toy, steal it from his or her sibling. What that means for you is you need to immediately jump into the situation, or should you? Before you immediately jump in to try to solve the problem for your twins, take a step back and see how they resolve it themselves. If you're always jumping in to solve the problem, they'll never learn those problem-solving skills themselves. An initial reaction to a sibling stealing a toy may quickly pass as they get distracted with something else. If that's not the case, and they start to fight or start to want to hurt each other or get into a precarious situation, that's when you can step in as a parent, redirect the kids to appropriate activity and maybe away from each other or a different toy. Redirection and distraction are powerful techniques, particularly when your kids are really young. Remember that when your twins are doing what you want them to do, pile on the positive praise and attention so they want to keep doing that and not do something that would maybe is bad behavior just so they can get your attention. If you're giving them attention and love and time, they're going to feel that when they're doing the right thing and want to do the right thing more often. We discovered with our twins that often they did not get upset at the same time, which was a blessing for us as a parent because you can help take care of the kid that was upset or crying or hurt or needed something while the other twin was happily playing or sitting in the bouncy seat or rocking in the swing, whatever the case may be. Remember, they're not always going to be upset at the same time. You can manage this, and if they are both upset at the same time, it's okay to take turns, take care of one, and then the other. How about yourself? What have you done when both of your twins have been upset? How have you handled that situation? Go ahead and leave a comment below with what's worked for you and your twins. And check out some of these other videos for practical tips and tricks on raising your twins. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get new videos to help you along your twin parenting journey. And if you like a t-shirt like this one, Darth Vader, Father of Twins Club, you should head on over to twintshirt.company.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.